Good afternoon and welcome to this extended edition of the Midday News. Here's what we have in the bulletin. Hurricane Melissa to make landfall. That's not correct. All clear issued for the island. Flash flood still likely across the island. And Reggae Girls beat Trinidad 4-1 in Friendly International. Thank you for joining us. I'm Kerry Simpson. Here are the details. Up first this afternoon, Transport Minister Darrell Vaz is adamant the island's main international airport must be reopened today or as soon as possible to at least start receiving relief supplies for those worst affected by Hurricane Melissa. TVJ News is on a tour of the island's airport with the minister. Krista Campbell has the details.
Only this helicopter on the tarmac at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston. It's the vehicle taking Transport Minister Darrell Vaz and his team on a tour of the island's airport facilities, which he insists must be reopened quickly to receive relief supplies at the very least.
We have gotten away with minimal superficial damage in isolated areas. From all indications after discussions with the JCAA and AAJ and the operator, that we should be in a position to get the airport back reopened as early as this afternoon. They will finish their assessment and report back to me within an hour and a half, and the country and the world will be told. That is immediately for relief flights, which we have a number of requests pending, and secondly, commercial operations. I've indicated to them that that is priority. There are people that we need to get out. There are people who are here stuck as tourists and locals who are here on vacation that want to go back, and there's a lot of anxious Jamaicans and other persons who want to help that want to get in.
The minister's next stop is the Ian Fleming International Airport in St. Mary.
Relief flights by tomorrow morning, ideally both commercial and relief, unlimited, even if it's on a limited basis, our regular airlines, and most importantly, up and running fully. I understand American Airlines has already indicated that they are ready to go to Ian Fleming, so we'll have to do when we get there today, and if we can accommodate them, we can accommodate them. We need to just be safe, but be expedient in what we are doing. Every hour is an hour lost, and we don't have the time.
Now he notes it will be more difficult to coordinate relief supplies from the other two airports to Montego Bay St. James, as that airport is badly damaged and residents in the western part of the island are most in need of emergency help.
But those of us who didn't get hit hard, we're going to have to go down there, boots on the ground, in your own way, shape and form to help those people. The devastation is unimaginable. You have to see it to believe it. And you have only seen a part of it.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
In St. James, there have been widespread reports of damage to property and other infrastructure. Our correspondent Garnet Beckford filed this report.
So I visited the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where the accident and emergency ward has been damaged. Nurses there said that it was a nightmare for them last night because all of the accident and emergency ward damage. Then I left from there to Catherine Hall and the West Green and all of that area, because the Bonnet River came over and flooded out the community. The road, the intersection of Fairfield and Catherine Hall, damage. I mean, it's just pure mud on the road. It's down here, it's chaos. I leave from there and then came to the Barney Street Police Station, where the barracks, the roof has been gone. There is no barracks, so the officers have nowhere right now to sleep. And all the offices on the other side of the police station, the roof's gone. Then I leave from there and went to the People's Arcade. Persons came in and put out the stuff after the storm.